Hello traders, in this video I am taking a look at Aero EA4 MT5. It's an automated expert advisor designed specifically for trading gold or XAUUSD. So if you are interested in automated gold trading on MT5, you can find the EA on the MetaTrader, the MQL5 Marketplace page. Okay. Meanwhile, if you are also interested in a free expert advisor that has so many candlestick patterns built in for MT4 or MT5, just check the link in the description below. Okay, so we're going to be starting from the top of the MQL5 marketplace listing. Aero is developed by Volodymyr Babak and the current version is 3.2. The listing shows that it was updated on the 20th of August 2026 with 7 activations at the time of this review. Okay, so the current price is 799 US dollars, and the developer says that the price increases at each sales stage. We can see that written here, with the next stage listed at $1,200. Moving into the main description, Aero is presented as a fully automated expert advisor for XAUUSD built around a breakout strategy. And the interesting part here is how the developer says that Aero selects which breakouts to trade. All right, the listing says that it uses kNN, can see that here, or K nearest neighbors. It's a machine learning method trained on more than 10 years of gold price data. So when a level breaks, the current market state is compared with historical cases, and the EA only enters when the developer's statistics indicates that the setup is worth trading. So the developer also states that Aero takes one position at a time, and it does not use martingale, grid, or averaging. All right, you can see that clearly stated here. Okay, so moving down to the prop firm section, the developer highlights several features designed around controlled execution. According to the listing, entries are placed as limit orders. There is protection around the daily rollover period, and trading is blocked during high volatility news events. Okay, so the listing also says that the maximum loss on a trade is controlled by the risk percentage selected by the user. Now, this is where the developer explains what an individual trade looks like. First, a key level breaks and the setup goes through the kNN check, and Aero then waits for a retest and places a limit order rather than buying the initial price spike. Right, and the protective stop is calculated using ATR volatility rather than a fixed distance. The developer also describes a hedge order placed beyond the opposite boundary of the range, intended to offset most of the loss if price reverses sharply. So while the listing says that Aero does not use martingale, grid, or averaging, it does specifically describe this separate hedge mechanism as part of its trade management. All right, so as for the key setup requirements, we can see that Aero is designed for XAUUSD on the daily time frame in MetaTrader 5, and it sets the desired risk percentage, enable algo trading, and the EA starts automatically. All right, you can see, so for the setup and configuration is pretty straightforward. Okay, for risk, the listing gives 3 examples. We have 2%, is described as low risk, 4% is the standard default, and 6% is aggressive. All right, so there is also a fixed lot option. Okay, the developer says that the EA has been tested using thick data suite with 99.9% modeling quality, including spreads, commissions, swaps, and slippage. But these are claims and testing conditions reported by the developer, okay, not results that I have independently verified. And that is important to keep in mind with any marketplace expert advisor. All right, historical testing and developer provided information cannot guarantee future live performance. Real execution can actually vary depending on market conditions, spreads, slippage, commissions, and other trading conditions. Okay, so now we are just going to head over to my strategy tester where I ran a back test on this expert advisor. We can see that I tested Aero EA for MT5 on gold as recommended, and I actually used the daily time frame as recommended as well. And the test was conducted over the past close to 8 months. We can see from the beginning of 2026 till date. All right, and for the delays I just use random delays, okay, and we are using the every tick modeling for a level of accuracy. So briefly looking at the backtest results that we have here, the initial deposit is $10,000, and we can see that the total net profit was about 16%. We can see $1,610.34 in net profit, and we had a balance drawdown. The maximal balance drawdown was 5.67%, which is pretty fair. Okay, and we can also see that the equity drawdown maximal was 5.22%. So that is a reasonable drawdown. All right, not extremely large. It's a reasonable drawdown. And then we can also see here that the total trades taken were 113, out of which 87 were profitable. So we have a 76.99% win rate, which is not bad either. Okay, so when you put the win rate side by side with the risk to reward ratio, we can see here that out of that 113 trades, 87 were profitable, and then the average profit was $46.82, while the average loss was negative $94.72. So this tells me that the average risk to reward ratio is bad, since the average loss is substantially higher than the average profit. The difference is close to $50, right? So the average loss is close to $50 more than the average profit. So that tells me that the average risk to reward ratio is bad, and that would have impacted the results that we are seeing here, because despite the fact that the win rate is above 70%, you would have been expecting, out of 113 trades, right, you would have been expecting a higher net profit. But considering the fact that the average risk to reward ratio is bad, it would have impacted that result. But regardless, it ended up in a net profit of about 16%. So overall, Aero presents a clearly defined approach. Gold breakout trading, we can see quite a lot of trade executed here, right, on the chart. You can see open and close and all of that, right? So the trades we are pretty close to each other on average, right? You can see that the open and close prices, you can see lots of trades were executed close to each other. So this EA uses a gold breakout trading technique, machine learning based setup selection, retest entries, ATR-based stops, and a specific hedge mechanism. So whether that approach fits your trading style is something that you'll need to determine for yourself. I will treat the information on this listing as a starting point for further research and testing, rather than as a guarantee of what the EA will achieve in live trading. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.